I asked you, can you tell me the different layers of the earth? If you don't know, you have come to the right place. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about the different layers of the earth. Let's start by cutting the earth in half. There's two ways you can do it: chemical composition and physical properties. The earth can be divided into three layers by chemical compositions: the crust, the mantle, and the core. The outer layer of the earth is called the crust. No, not that crust, this crust. There are two types of crust: oceanic crust and continental crust. The oceanic crust averages between 25 miles or 40 kilometers, and it can be divided into 15 different tectonic plates that are rigid in the center and have geological activities, such as earthquakes and volcanoes. The earth crust contains three types of rock, which are igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. The oceanic crust lies underwater and is very thin. It is about 4 miles or 7 kilometers in thickness and is made out of dense rock, including basalt. Continental crust is thicker. It is between 6 to 47 miles or 10 to 70 kilometers in thickness, and it has high abundance of less dense igneous rock like granite. The next layer is called the mantle, and it's about 1,800 miles or 2,900 kilometers in thickness, and it makes up 80% of the Earth's mass. The mantle has a high abundance of iron and magnesium. The core extends from below the mantle and into the center of the Earth. The core is mainly made of iron and nickel. The core is the densest layer of the Earth, and it makes up 1/3 of the Earth's mass. The outer core is composed mostly of iron and nickel, with metal found in liquid form, and it's about 1,400 miles or 2,300 kilometers in thickness. The inner core is the hottest part of our planet. It's about 9,000 to 13,000 Fahrenheit, and it's a solid layer, and it's about 755 miles or 12,000 kilometers in thickness, and it's made out of mostly of iron. The iron is so much in pressure that it stays in solid form. Now we will look at the physical property, which is if the layers are liquid or solid. The 5 physical layers are the lithosphere and the asthenosphere, mesosphere, outer core, and inner core. The first one is the lithosphere, which is about 100 kilometers in thickness, and it's divided into tectonic plates, and it includes the crust and the upper layer of the mantle, and it's very hard. And the next one is the asthenosphere. It's made out of a solid rock that moves very slowly, and it's very elastic, and it is 100 kilometers to 350 kilometers in thickness. The lower part of the mantle is called mesosphere, and it can be found under 350 or 2,900 kilometers deep. The outer core is the most liquid layers of the core. The outer core can be found as deep as 2,900 kilometers up to 5,100 kilometers deep. The inner core is the solid part, and it can be found from the center of the Earth, which is 6,370 kilometers deep, to the bottom of the outer core. And the inner core's temperature is about 6,000 to 5,000 Celsius, which is the same temperature as the sun's surface. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to support the channel. And this was my first video on this channel. Thank you for watching to the end, and have a nice day, my friend.